Not every wonder on Earth was born in peace. Some of nature's greatest masterpieces were forged in pain. When the ground split open, volcanoes erupted and the ocean roared, swallowing entire landscapes. In places once marked as the epicenter of disaster now rise breathtaking wonders, emerald lakes formed in volcanic. This is a journey to uncover the beauty born from destruction, where nature reminds us that even in its most devastating moments, it is still quietly creating miracles. Grand Prismatic Spring is located in Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. It is the third largest hot spring in the world, with a diameter of about 370 feet and a depth of 160 feet. The spring is notable for its vibrant colors that change with the water temperature, created by different types of thermophilic bacteria living at various temperatures. The colors of the spring range from deep blue at the center to orange, yellow, and red at the outer edges, depending on the temperature and sunlight. This spring is not only a tourist attraction for its spectacular beauty, but also an important geological phenomenon showing underground volcanic activity that produces a rich source of hot water. It is a testament to the power of nature and a must. You might hear the hum of motorbikes, the chatter of traders, or the soft rustle of palm trees in the breeze. Markets overflow with color-bold fabrics, fresh fruits, loud bargaining, and soft laughter. And tucked between the towns are quiet villages, where tradition still whispers through the trees. Lake Helia is one of the most impressive natural wonders of Australia, standing out with its rare, vibrant pink color. The lake is about 6,600 feet long and 2,700 feet wide, sitting close to the ocean, separated by a thin strip of land. Its pink color does not change even when poured into a bottle, thanks to the presence of dunalisolina algae and halophilic bacteria that produce carotenoid pigments. However, to protect the ecosystem, tourists can only view the lake from above. Visit destination for anyone visiting Wyoming, offering a rare opportunity to witness one of the most unique natural wonders in the world. Through scenic flights, the surrounding landscape creates a striking contrast with the blue ocean, native forests, and white sandy shores. The sea breeze carries a salty scent, blending with sunlight, making the water shimmer like a pink gemstone. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the northeast coast of Australia, along the Queensland coastline, is the largest coral reef system in the world, with over 2,900 individual reefs and around 900 islands. It provides habitats for thousands of marine species, including fish, sea turtles, sharks, whales, and dolphins. This reef is not only a natural wonder, but also a cultural heritage for the indigenous peoples of Australia, such as the Aborigine and the Torres Strait Islanders, who regard it as an integral part of their spiritual and cultural heritage. With its ecological and geological significance, the Great Barrier Reef attracts millions of visitors each year and serves as a center for scientific research, enhancing our understanding of the impact of climate change on marine ecosystems. Where endless savannas roll beneath skies so wide they feel like forever. They change with the seasons, wrapped in mist, snow, silence, and every time you return, they feel different, as if they're alive. You're not just walking through nature, you're walking above it. Whether you're crossing the world's tallest glass bridge or riding a cable car into the clouds, this place makes you feel small and alive. Additionally, the area contributes to the local economy through tourism and fishing, emphasizing the importance The Amazon rainforest is one of the largest ecosystems in the world, with an incredibly rich biodiversity. It is home to over 390 billion individual trees and thousands of animal species, from birds to reptiles and mammals, as well as millions of unique insect species not found anywhere else on this planet. Amazon is also the homeland of indigenous peoples with rich cultures who have lived in these forests for thousands of years and have profound understandings of their natural environment. They have developed methods to adapt and interact sustainably with nature, from hunting and gathering to agriculture and fishing. The Amazon not only acts as a massive biological reservoir, but also as the lungs of the planet, producing a large amount of the world. If you paused or said wow even once, drop a like and subscribe for more unbelievable places around the world.